Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Nasi starting lineup seBafana Bafana bafowethu. Laphana ku-goalkeeper uRonwen Williams, i-captain, uNdamane uzodlala noSibisi laphana emuva ku-left back, and then kuba uModiba ku-right back, uMudau, and then uMbatha uyabuya ku-starting lineup for the first time, and then-ke uMokoena ukhona, uMbule uyi-creative laphana, umuntu ozodlala i-free role as number 10, u-Apolis naye ukhona laphana ku-left wing, then uMurena uya-attack laphana phambili. UMurena siyazi ukuthi u-versatile. uMakgopa uyo-lead i-attack. iBafana Bafana ifuna amagoli, i-believer ukuthi uMakgopa angakwazi ukubalethela ama-goals laphana phambili. Shocking, but-ke uyi-hard worker, sobona ukuthi izosebenza namhlanje laphana egamini yeBafana Bafana, because they understand ukuthi at least kumele bashaye 2 goals or more bangakorwa. If-ke bazokora, maybe kumele bashaye 3 goals, because bayawadinga ngempela amagoli ukuthi babe ne-chance ukuthi baqualify for i-World Cup. It's not gonna be easy. This is possibly one of their hardest games bafowethu. Then laphana ebhenchini siyazi ukuthi bakhona o-goalkeeper abawu-2, uSipho noGosse noShabalala we-Kaizer Chiefs. Is one of the most creative players laphana kuBafana Bafana bafowethu, uShabalala. Maybe angadlala laphana i-number 10 la kudlala khona uSipho Mbuli, but-ke ucoach udecide ukuqala ngoSipho Mbuli. Uyazi ama-reasons wakhe ukuthi why, nanokuthi uSipho Mbuli ubanikani. Siyamazi ukuthi super creative, uzokwazi ukubaphasa kahle, but kuzoya ngabo laphana phambili ukuthi bazokwazi ukukora. Difficult game indeed bafowethu. Defense, uNdamane uyi-player elilokhunjani, eli-stable laphana, ne-height yamvumela, une-confidence, uyakwazi to, he can play from the back. uSibisi we-Orlando Pirates was out for some time, but-ke surprisingly ukhona laphana ku-starting 11 seBafana Bafana. Uvele wabuya nje bamselect immediately. Maybe uHugo Broos uqhubeka nge-squad lesi asaziyo, asijwayele, asithembayo. I think umuntu omusha sha lapha eskimini esingakaze simbone for some time, uSipho Mbuli uye kuphela omusha bafowethu. Baqale nje ukumselecta last time namanje, but bonke labantu laba abadlalayo bafowethu uyabazi uHugo Broos, bonke bake badlala, even from i-AFCON le baphuma ku-3rd place, bonke bebekhona ngaphandle kwaSipho Mbuli nje kuphela. Kusho ukuthi in terms of like abantu abasha aba-ediwe, uSipho Mbuli laphana unumber 1 kuBafana Bafana, ukuthi uwumuntu omusha ababhekile ukuthi maybe angabenzela something laphana overall. Yeah, but-ke siyayibona i-team bafowethu, starting 11 sibafisela inhlanhla overall bafowethu, ukuthi bakwazi ukuthola le 2 goals, and then bathandazele ukuthi iNigeria iwine lapha or idrowe. Ngoba kunzima kakhulu bafowethu. Yeah, sobona ukuthi bazokwazi ukuthola u-3 points na. Danko bafowethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like ni-subscribe. Making sure ukuthi le page lifika kubani, u-15,000 subscribers. Danko.